Hey guys, so we're in the Bayleaf in Cavite. We'll be doing the quick room tour of their Trio Deluxe Room. This room is actually good for 3 people. So we're on the 3rd floor. So in this room, there's a vault which you could use. There's this huge cabinet with mirrors where you can put your clothes or anything, your luggage and all. There's hangers, and right beside the wardrobe cabinet is this toilet and bath. So they're using American Standard. They have hand soap. Have this note. These are their toiletries. It's very modest for a 3 or 4 star hotel. I think this one is only a 3, not 4. Maybe the same level as Ibis styles and all. So also have overhead. There's lots of cabinets here. There's this like bench where you can put your things or sit on it. Then there's the 3 beds which you can combine. And there's this TV with no signal. And they have quite a few restaurants in here which you can check out. They have Cloud Spice at the ground floor. You can buy these pastries. They give you some mineral water and some tea and coffee with sugar and cream. So you get this tool to make hot water. So there's 3 beds and 2 lamps. There's a chair in there, and outside you'll just get a view of their parking lot and the highway over there. Right beside is SNR. So that's it for this quick room tour, and see you in the next video.